Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did go ahead and use the Joker palette again. I also used this little ColourPop Super Shock shadow just for like the middle. Obviously I changed up my background a bit. I think I need to figure something out though, because now it's like really dark. Before everything was super overexposed because everything was white. Now it looks really dark to me. But I have a little Jack and some potion bottles, a little pumpkin and stuff, so give me a couple days, let me play with this bit and see if I can get it where I'm wanting it. You know what I mean? Just realized I had red lipstick all over my teeth, so I had to get that off. So obviously this is what I did today. I think it's super cute. I really like it. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created today's look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope the new background looks okay. I'm really ready to just get this thing edited so I can see what it looks like. I have like a tiny little viewfinder like this big that I can see what's going on. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like and subscribe so you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. Yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.